If you saw my last video, you'll know that I've been in a battle with eToro to get my £400 deposit back. There has been an update to my situation. And if you're in the same boat as me, I'm going to give you some tips on how you can get it resolved quicker. But first, a shameless plug. This isn't normally a financial channel, it's more of a gaming and tech review channel. So if that interests you at all, click the like button and subscribe. I also have a second channel which I plan to do a lot of travelling videos on when the lockdown ends. So make sure you're subscribed to that channel too. Okay, so the big question. Did I get my money back from eToro? Yes, I did. Mostly. So I deposited £400 and what I actually got back was £385. So the reason that I got less money back was not because of any fees, it was actually because the value of the dollar dropped while my money was still on eToro. So for those who are not aware, when you deposit money to eToro, even though you use eToro UK or EU, the money actually gets deposited in dollars. So if the value of the dollar changes, so does your deposited money. So when I finally got my money back, it was actually only £385, not £400. That's a bit scummy considering that it's not actually my fault, but I'm willing to let it slide because I got the majority of my money back. So how can you do what I just did? So my tips are, don't contact eToro through email. It is going to take so long. It's not worth it. It's an absolute waste of time. So maybe make the initial ticket to open up a case and then just immediately go to their Facebook page and contact the customer team via Facebook Messenger. They reply much faster, within 24 to 48 hours, I'd say. And then when you do that, message them only one thing: to call you right away. Send them your number if you haven't already got it on the account and tell them to call you immediately. Once they do, make sure you pick up because you can't call them back. You have to accept the call that's incoming. And then via the assistant on the phone, you're going to have better luck. Like, they are more likely to actually resolve the situation. So in my case, they wanted a few bits of extra information and I just kept him on the phone for 15 minutes while I gave it to him. You know, I didn't go like, oh, okay, I'll do it and I'll call you back in a bit, because you just know they won't or they'll take their sweet ass time. So once you've got them on the call, keep them on the call and get your money back. So that's my top tips. Don't do it via the emails. That'll take forever, you know, and contact them on the messenger and get them to call you. It's as simple as that. Good luck.
I don't know. I don't think there are any more around.
Won't go any higher, Zay. We only just
I don't
made that
think
one.
there's anywhere else I can check.
Yeah, we're just gonna do the same one again, because the rewards
Who opened that door?
good.